Jet engines are one of the most fascinating and majestic things in this world. They are engineering marvels. In this video, we will be discussing how a jet engine works. We will be discussing how a turbojet engine and a turbofan engine works. Turbojet engine. A turbojet engine consists of four parts. It consists of a compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and a nozzle. As long as the engine is supplied with fuel, the compressor is spinning. The compressor consists of many blades that spin at high speed. As air is sucked into the engine, the compressor squeezes or compresses the air. This compressed air then moves into the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, the compressed air is mixed with fuel and ignited. This causes the air to increase in temperature and expand. The hot and expanding air then moves through another group of blades called the turbine. The turbine is connected to the same shaft as the compressor. The movement of the hot and expanded air causes the turbine to spin. The hot air then blows out of the engine through the nozzle, providing thrust to the airplane. This is how a turbojet engine works. An example of an airplane that uses turbojet engine will be the legendary Concorde. Now let's talk about the turbofan engine. A turbofan engine works by the same principle as the turbojet engine. Many commercial planes today use the turbofan engine. The turbofan engine works just like the turbojet engine but has an additional fan, a second compressor, and a second turbine. As the intake fan sucks in the air is split into two parts. The first part goes through the bypass ducts while the second part goes through the engine's core. In the engine's core, the air passes through the low pressure compressor at the front, then passes through the high pressure compressor, then into the combustion chamber where it is injected with the fuel and ignited. The hot expanding air then accelerates over and drives the high pressure turbine. The high pressure turbine in return spins the high pressure compressor. After the hot expanding air passes through the high pressure turbine, it accelerates over and drives the low pressure turbine. The low pressure turbine in return spins the fan and the low pressure compressor at the front of the engine. The hot air then blows out of the engine exhaust or the nozzle, providing thrust to the airplane. This is how a turbofan engine works. Do you know that in a turbofan engine, 80% of the thrust that is produced by the air that passes through the bypass ducts of the engine? Not only that, the air that passes through the bypass ducts helps to reduce noise level of the engine. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.